Poorly formatted code is difficult to read, difficult to reason about, and irritating to work with. It takes forever to fix, but that doesn't need to be the case. Xcode has provided us with a few tools to make reformatting our code and making it perfect, easy, and fast. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it. One of the first tricks I want to show you is how to format to multiple lines. Sometimes you have these functions, particularly from Objective-C, or if you have a big initializer, where it starts to wrap because you just have so much input. And, we can go through and, hit enter, go to the next comma and enter, and reformat it like that manually. It takes forever. But even better is if we hit Control M. Bada bing, bada boom. The whole thing's done for us in just a moment. And so whenever we have these longer methods, we can just go, oh, you know what? I like to see this on multiple lines. And just like that, we can put all the different input variables on a new line and very easily reason about where they go and how they're being used. All right. As my next tip, I want to talk about Swift formatting. So let's say you have a file like this. You come in here and you look at it and you notice all these spaces are missing and your eyes just want to bleed because it just looks terrible. It's hideous. And you look at the file source and you realize it was you in the past and you're disappointed. You're disappointed in yourself, and you go, why did you do this? Well, you can go through and say, I'm going to bite the bullet. I don't want every time I come in here and I'm going to hit the spaces. Oh, that was irritating, and I'm going to go through and do all that. But there's an easier way. And that is using Swift formatting. So this is this cool technology that just auto formats your stuff. And it's built right into Xcode. And you can read up online about it. It's part of GitHub. You could actually create your own and edit your own stuff. And it's just what Apple has provided for this, and so there's two ways of doing this. You can apply it to just a highlighted section, or you can apply it to the whole file. So to do a highlighted, you highlight whatever you want to restructure, and you hit Option-Control-Shift-I, and boom. Look at that. It's beautiful. All the spaces that we wanted are there. Let's undo it and redo it, undo it, redo it. It's a thing of beauty. And to do the whole file, you just drop the option. So it's Control-Shift-I and bada bing, bada boom. The whole file is now fixed. Everything looks beautiful. Your eyes are not bleeding. You're not as disappointed in yourself from the past, and you can move forward in your life. And it's beautiful. So I encourage you to learn that one because it just makes things nice. All right, my final tip is just with indentation. So let's say we pasted something in and it looks wonky like that, and you want to fix it. It's really easy. Just hit Control-I. I for indentation, super easy, and it fixes all the indentations. So even if you had, well, here's another tip right here. If you hit Command with a square open or close, that just shifts it. So let's say we shifted everything over. We ruined our indentation. See, look at that. Now it's just hideous. It's just hideous, and we want to fix it. Well, hit Control-I, and it fixes all of it, and it makes it beautiful. And that was the one that I first learned. And when I learned it, it was like, ooh, this is beautiful. I love making my code look nice because this is the craft. This is an art. And we should be producing things that are nice to look at, that we enjoy coming in going, oh, I can look through this, and it's beautiful. I'm proud of this. So that's my last tip. It's a beautiful one, and enjoy it. Well, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment. Which one of these do you like the most? Which one do you use already? And which one are you going to use in the future? Put it in the comments, and please take a moment to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.